Hey friends, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. My name is Thomas and I'm from Austria and I'm a rare fruit plants collector. Today I thought I will make a video about a plant species where I couldn't find a lot in the internet or in YouTube, and the plant species are the Myrciaria. I brought 12 plants and we will start with the rare ones, and to the end of the video we will talk about my ultra rare plants, so I think you should stay on. Let's start with the first one. The first one is Myrciaria strigipes, or beach kombucha called. Why beach kombucha? Because they can grow in sand. So this is my biggest one. I have two others, and one is growing in pure sand. So I have one growing in pure sand as a experiment, and it isn't growing fast, but it's alive. And you know, I'm living in the growing zone 7B, so it's harder for me to grow, but it's like this big, and yeah, it's growing. So let's go on with the second one. It's the Myrciaria dubia, or they call it Kamukamu. It's a superfood because the fruit has a very high content of vitamin C. So it's a very sour fruit. When the fruits are ripe, it's reddish. The beach kombucha is yellow, and yeah, it's a rare one, but it's not super rare. You can find, when they are in season, you can find seeds, so it's okay to have in the collection. The next ones are the Myrciaria floribunda. There are two different species or species types. This one is the normal one, it's the black with black fruits, and this one is the more rare one with the yellow fruits. So I have them both. They are growing pretty slow for me, and yeah, let's wait for next year. I think I should uppot them before the winter comes. But they are growing okay. They aren't very hard to grow or difficult. They don't need some special soils or something like that. It's pretty okay to grow them. The next one is a more rare one. It's the blue Guaquiea, or Myrciaria Roxa. This one is a really pretty one. Look at the foliage, the leaves are really nice, they are fuzzy. The fruits are blue. I don't know the size of these fruits, but I think they will be like a Guaquiea, a normal Guaquiea, or a strigip. I think they are a little bit bigger than the strigipes, but that's the first pretty rare one. The next one is Myrciaria Guaquiea. This one has yellow fruits, and this seedling is 3 months old. there is coming a new growth, so pretty nice plant. I like the Myrciarias, they are all very nice plants, especially if they are bigger, they are really nice. And let's go on with a really rare one. This is Myrciaria plinioides. Look at the new growth. It's a really rare one. The fruits are, I think, black when they are ripe. It's faster growing for me because the Guaquiea and the plinioides, I planted the seeds at the same time. These are from this year. The floribunda is from last year, so you can see it's a faster grower, not a fast grower, but it's growing faster. Then the next one is a dry or more dry loving Myrciaria. It's the Myrciaria cuspitata. It's also a really rare one and a really slow growing one. So yes, I like it a lot. It's a pretty nice little plant. I hope next year it will start to grow faster. Let's see. Now the winter, the cold time is coming in, so I think in 2 weeks or 3 weeks I have to put my plants all in the house, and they are growing a lot slower. So yeah. The next one are some really special ones for me because the big one is the normal Myrciaria delicatula. If you search for this plant, you will find pictures from bigger trees with different colored fruits and different ripeness stages, but they are really pretty. They start as green, go into yellow, and then if they are ripe into a reddish color. And it looks really pretty for me. But there are 2 other delicatulas. They don't look like a delicatula because this is the standard type. And the other 2 I got from Salami, the seed hunter shop. This one is the Myrciaria AFF delicatula, the blue one. I know I should fertilize it with iron, chelated iron. Look at the foliage. It's really different to the delicatula, to the normal one. And then there is a third one. It's the Myrciaria delicatula dark blue. And look at these leaves. So I don't know which one, if they are delicatulas or if they are other Myrciarias. I don't know. If you guys have them too, please write me in the comments if you have the same experience as me, or if you got other plants out of the seeds, because yeah, it's really confusing me, because as you can see, 3 plants, all 3 delicatulas, but 3 different leaves, so I don't think so. These 2 are delicatulas. Maybe we can discuss that. And so the last plant, it's my rarest one, my slowest growing one. It's the Myrciaria species Vermelha. This seed took over 7 months to germinate. Since then it's growing really slow, but it's alive. I think it's the fruits, when they are ripe, they have a red color. And yeah, so that's it with my Myrciarias. I have some other ones, but they are still in the growing box, so I don't want to show the little seedlings. They are just germinated. I want to show you some little plants where we can compare the leaf shapes and the leaves and the color of the new growth. Maybe later or next year I will show the other Myrciarias. And yeah, I will write the names in the comments or in the video description, so you can read the names of the plants and search for them in the internet if you want. If you like the video, please let me a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more stuff to show, or more rare plants to show. I'm growing everything in pots, so if you want, maybe I can show you my soil mixture or which pots I'm using. The water is very important for tropical plants, so if you want, we can do, or I could do a video about how to grow. And yeah, so we'll see us the next time. Bye friends.